Hey y'all, it's Miss T here, and I am back with another V to the I to the D-E-O. So today I am opening my fall FabFitFun box. Came in a really pretty box this month, and I haven't had a chance to go in it. So I'm going to be going through it right quickly with you guys just so that you'll be able to see what I got. And remember, this is a subscription box that you get once a quarter, you guys. It's $59.99. You get it once a quarter. So that means you get one pretty much in winter, spring, summer, and fall. So this is my fall 2020 box. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. Have not broken the seal. Y'all probably looking a little rough. I just really want to get into my box, but I wanted to share the unboxing with you guys. So yeah, we just gonna do it just like this. We gonna do it just like this. Y'all, they have a lot of tape on it. That's all right. We are in it now. Actually, yeah. So this box this time, it opens from the front. Neat looking box, and that's what we've got going so far. There's a lot of paper inside of this box. I did have some add-ons. What I added on, one was this milk makeup. This is the Kush lip scrub, y'all. And I like to make homemade lip scrubs, but every now and then I like to get a nice one. So hopefully this one's gonna be a nice one. So I added it onto my order, and yeah, that's what it looks like. It has some exfoliating beads in it. It smells like peppermint, y'all. It don't smell like Kush. So that's what we got. So you don't have to worry about me walking around here smelling like any old thing. But I did order that as an add-on. The next thing, they put all my add-ons on the top. So the other thing that I added on was these essential oils, because I am always burning essential oils. So I added these essential oils on. They are pretty tight in this bubble wrap, which means I might have to tear the bubble wrap, and that's fine. So it comes from this company, Blue Zen, and you get two inside of here. There are the Sweet Dreams and the Awake. So that's what we have here. So the Sweet Dreams is seductive essences of cedarwood, gardenia, sandalwood, and amber. And then the Awake is energizing essences of grapefruit, orange, and vanilla and jasmine. Let's see, are they nice size bottles? Yeah. So this is the Awake. And this is the Sweet Dreams. You guys can barely see that. But anyway, I use a lot of essential oils, and I'm always trying to find something to keep me awake during the day and something to put me to sleep at night. Okay, that one smells real good, y'all. It smells a lot better than just orange by itself. And the one for Sweet Dreams, that one might take a little bit of getting used to. Both of them smell real incensey to me, but that's okay because I like smells like that. I also ordered, as an add-on, some blue light sunglasses because it was one of the choices in one of the categories, and I had to choose, and I chose something else because I could get the blue light glasses for just $10 extra. So I went ahead and paid the $10 extra to give myself the blue light glasses. And I already have some blue light glasses that I work in during the day, but those are right there are cute. And I figured that they would be, yeah, they would do the trick just like I want them to do. So I went ahead and got those. So those are my add-ons. So now we're gonna get into the actual things that came inside of the box this time around. So we get this nice FabFitFun box right here. Yeah. There we go. Magazine. I'm sorry. Our nice FabFitFun magazine. We always get a magazine every time. And it just has, you know, little fun stuff. There's a word search. It tells you more about the products that you ordered. In fact, y'all, this is a much lower quality feel magazine than we've gotten in the past. I guess everybody kind of cutting back. You can tell where they cutting back on that one. But anyway, I selected these exfoliating sugar scrub cubes. This was one of the items that I could select. There's 8 cubes in here. And this smells like some kind of melon. It has like a melon scent to them. You see that cleansed juice? Take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin. So we can get 8 uses out of that 1 jar. Of course, they always send us all of these extra little things right here just so that we can be enticed to try some of these other brands. I'm not really enticed to try any other brands. I'm gonna stick with what I have. But now this is something, this must have been something that they were giving to everybody, because this is, I don't remember selecting this. This is Glow Milk, nourished with coconut and argan oil. So I was kind of excited to see what would be the items that everybody got in their box. And I think that this is one of those items that everybody got in their box. Glow Milk is a liquid radiance in a bottle. Create a long-lasting lit from within look with our champagne colored liquid highlighter. Okay, all right, y'all. So this is a highlighter in here, and I'm gonna get off up in here if I can, cause y'all, my nails just they're not making it. All this dishwashing and different stuff going on, they just not making it. Okay, so this is what our highlighter looks like, y'all. And y'all can see that pretty easy right there on the screen, I'm sure. But yeah, that ought to do good for my skin, because it's close enough to my skin tone that it ought to work for me. So y'all, this is one that I was kind of excited about. It came a little late. It was supposed to be a gift for someone, but it didn't arrive in time. And it's okay, because it can be a gift at a later date. But it's the bracelet. So in the category this time for where they had the bracelets, where you could select the bracelets, there was nothing else that I really liked or needed. So this is the Jenny Bird. Y'all, it's heavy. It's a heavy little bracelet right here from Jenny Bird. Real heavy. Let me see how it would feel on my wrist, because this feels kind of small. But I haven't got it on yet. And looks like I would need some help to get it on. Okay, let's see what we can do with it, y'all. I'm not a big bracelet wearer. I do know some people who wear bracelets a lot, and I was like, hey, it's nothing else in this category that I really like. So there you go. It's cute. I would say if I was a big bracelet wearer, then yeah, it's cute. I'd wear it if I was a big bracelet wearer. It's nice. All right, anyway, we're gonna stick that back inside of the little bag that it came in. And it comes with this nice little bag as well to keep it from tarnishing. All right, so we also have this Tranquility Sleep Mist. I'm not sure if this was something that I selected or not when I had the opportunity to select, but we have this mist here. Let's see. You gotta mist around your pillows and sheets. Hold 8 to 10 inches away from your face and body to relax and soothe the skin. So you can put it on the bed, you can put it on yourself. Let's see what that smells like. Okay, you know, it smells like all of those aromatherapy type deals that you get that have some type of lavender in them. Of course, the big thing on the back is witch hazel. You guys probably can't see that, but it's witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water. I'm sure I'm not smelling rice water. What I'm smelling is lavender. Crease release, removes wrinkles. I did select this, y'all, for my clothes. It was nothing else in that category that I really wanted, and I was like, hey, I can always use something like that, I'm sure. All right, and so this, you guys, is supposed to be a yoga scarf, which it is the yoga scarf. We're getting ready to go into the fall and the winter time, y'all. It has a pocket here, so if I'm out walking or riding my bike or scooter, then I can always put my phone in there, and then yeah, around my neck it'll go just like that. It's an infinity scarf. Yeah, it's nice. So we got that. Then another thing that we got here is this mason jar hydration kit. Y'all, this is a glass water bottle. I selected it. Oh, and it looks so blue online. Okay, it's more of a, it's a mint. Kind of more of a mint when you actually see it up close. But it has a real jar in here to keep your water in. Now, I will say this. It's a cute bottle. Has the mason jar or whatever. I'm a little disappointed with the quality of the top. You hear that? That's just, it's just real plastic, y'all. That's a real plastic top. So once the top is gone, that's gonna be the end of my fabulous bottle here. But anyway, it holds up to 2 cups of liquid. So that would be about 16 ounces of liquid that I can put into my glass water bottle. Comes with the neoprene sleeve, so I can throw it in my bag or my purse. But I don't think that it's gonna be leak proof. The way this top just isn't giving me a lot of, yeah, the top isn't really making me feel very secure in its ability to protect my bags. So speaking of bags, the last thing that's in my box is a tote bag. So I selected this tote bag, y'all, because I'm always carrying magazines around and different things like that. So when I'm carrying all of my stuff, I wanted to have a bag. Oh, about to knock the camera over. I wanted to have a bag where I could keep everything in there and make sure that, you know, my stuff isn't getting lost. This one zips on the top, which is always, to me, makes the best tote bag. Y'all, they say this tote bag is valued at like over 128 bucks. I don't know if I would say that much about it, because first of all, I'll say, you know, I haven't had a chance to use it, but I'm just trying to feel it for quality. And it's much smaller than I thought it was gonna be. I will say that. And it'll probably hold a few magazines and a wallet and things like that for me to go out somewhere with this bag. But yeah, it's made by Botkier, B-O-T-K-I-E-R of New York. So not really what I kind of was expecting, but you know, it is what it is. So let's see if we can get a couple prices on this stuff, because usually, you know, the box is going to be between $214 and $544 in value. I selected that bag. That bag right there was a $128 bag. I selected this scarf, which was a $59 infinity scarf. I also selected the bracelet that you guys saw me pull out earlier. I'm not gonna pull it out again, but here's the bracelet. And the bracelet was going for retail price of $135. That's a nice gift. $135 bracelet. Now those sunglasses that I told you that I added on, they were also, I could have selected the sunglasses or the bracelet. They were in the same category. The sunglasses, I only paid an additional $10 for them, but their value is $45. So I think I did good to just purchase the sunglasses as an add-on versus just getting them as one of my options. That water bottle that I showed you guys right here is going at $35. These the little bath cubes, they were regular $16. So if these are good, these could be a treat every now and then. It's 8 in here, so that makes them $2 a treat, basically, is what they're doing with that. Then we'll go on this crease release here. It is a $16. I didn't like anything else in that category, so hey, get what you get. Wow, they had some pumpkin spice salt melts. I don't think that was an option for me. Pedicure, I would have probably selected those. Yeah, I don't think that was an option for me. That's why I didn't get it. Anyway, this Beauty Shop Glow Milk right here, that mine comes in the shade of Blind Date is what they're saying. Yeah, it comes in the shade of Blind Date. It is $19.50 in value. And I think that covers everything. Did we go through it all, y'all? All right, that we did. We went through everything. So that's what I got in my FabFitFun box for fall 2020. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like to join FabFitFun, please use the link below. Thank you for watching.